welcome to Fuzzy Dragons. My name's Jen, and in this video I'm doing another unboxing.
I realised how to do something.
You realised how to do something? Well, you figure something out.
Bienvenue chez Dragons Flu. Votre... I'm going to match this one because I don't know what the little accent means. Hote comme toujours es Jen.
It's French, yeah. So, I can't read it. Bienvenue, doesn't matter.
It's H with a little...
like
a...
little triangle kind of thing?
Yeah, the little up kind of arrow at the stem.
I don't remember. I've been taking French for years.
Whatever it is, that's...
Yeah, and
oh, wait, actually we can do it.
Bienvenue chez Fuzzy Dragon. Votre hôte, comme toujours, est Jen Dragonflou.
Perfect.
I also put, because it realises it's a brand, so it says Fuzzy Dragons. But then I'm on what actually Fuzzy Dragons would be in French, so that's why I said Dragon Flu.
Cool. So yeah, that's what that is. Very cool. So, like I said, another unboxing. This is a very small one because there's not a lot of stuff in it, but I'm doing it anyway. It's from Cult Pens, which, great place. They used to not have a physical store in Dartmouth. John's seen it. He's walked by it or whatever.
I don't know if
you don't know if you've seen it.
I can't remember.
Anyway,
I did, if you know what I mean.
Yeah. But I've seen pictures of the warehouse they have now. It's huge. Makes sense. But so short video. Because I really need to go on the supply ban buy. Not buy any more shit except for markers because I have too much stuff.
My argument to you has been.
Well, that's pretty.
Yeah.
So it's a thing on TV.
It's just an athletically or someone posts a picture. It is for SCSU, I'm guessing South Carolina Sports University.
Oh, okay, it's very nice.
Yes.
But what were you saying before that?
Now you're just starting with
I don't know, art supplies.
Yeah, you're focusing so much recently on digital stuff. I can't get why you're buying the,
Because I really want to do some more, not go back completely, but work on traditional stuff a bit more.
No, but also my argument was kind of, since you're working digitally and you say, but not programs and they're very expensive, well, instead of buying a lot of traditional stuff, piecemeal traditional stuff, put the money aside, and then say, I want this program which is hideously expensive, or I want
But
this.
I have so many art programs that I don't need.
Actually, that's one thing you could buy.
What?
If you've stoken a lot of money this Christmas or whatever. You know the thing you put in more? The colour matches?
Oh, yeah.
I just thought that one piece of thing.
Oh, the colour matching things, yeah. Whoa.
Yeah, because then you can match your TV
to my monitor.
To that, and get them both, and also this, to get them both spot on.
Yeah.
I laugh if this is spot on, and this is
your
a gaming
computer, yours is a gaming monitor, mine's a TV. It's not a monitor,
but anyway.
Act true to him. Anyway, so...
my nose is running.
I know, it's fine. So we unbox this. Like I said, small order, so we'll pull the first thing out that I don't know that... Okay. Oh, come on, no, I want one thing, not everything. Well, I said I guess do everything. Okay.
Everything there, no stock left.
So, I bought colored pencils. Well, these are Poscas. I know I said when I tried the Poscas from the Scrawler box that I wouldn't buy the set, and I didn't buy the set because the set's fucking expensive. But I did buy a few more because I do like them. And I have an idea for a bigger piece to do traditionally. Okay, so they say what the set's called online, but I cannot find what the set's called in person. But there's 12 pencils, kind of nice different tones, like basic colors plus a few. So yeah, 12 of those. And I'm not going to do a swatch test here. I'll do that in another video because hey. And
then second.
What? What do you want to pause about?
Because you sound like your ears are clogged.
No, they're not clogged. Out, my nose hurts now.
No, but you sound stuffed up.
Maybe I'm getting a cold, but how would I get a cold? I don't go anywhere.
Yeah, you gotta get cold allergies.
I got another set, so I got two of these, right? Just two. And yeah, I picked these two because the colors are pretty much the only colors that match between them are the white, because the yellows are different. It looks the same, but they are different. And then I got another Posca thing. This is a very Posca orientated video. This is a brush pen. So I don't know if I can do it because I have no feelings in my hand right now. I need a towel or something. Oh, there's a towel. There's a towel here. It's a rag actually.
You can ask for my help.
Yeah, could you open that, please?
Give me that.
Because I can't get it. And
the reason you can't open it is because it's got plastic wrap.
No, I know it. You twist the lid and the plastic comes off.
Just do a simple thing.
And my nails are kind of cut. They're not sure. They're okay. but you know, it could be longer. He's having difficulty. Oh yeah.
No, I'll just dynamo.
Trainers, I bought fake nails. Woohoo! They're kind of pretty. They're like
Well,
blues.
she was saying she's going to grow them out.
They keep breaking after a point,
And
so
she says get like a painter. I said, well, I'll paint them for you. And then she goes, yeah, I can't be bothered. I was like, just buy some fake nails then.
and they're nice and stuff. So, but well,
Who was it? Was it Carla? Or?
Carla with the talons, which I love.
Yes, I'm like, so I have no idea what she bought. And I said, if you want them, buy them. Or
They're not talons, but I bought. But you know.
I'm surprised you didn't. Here you go.
Oh, okay.
There you
So,
go.
so yeah, see, it's a Posca. Now I saw somebody using these because you've got to do them a certain way. You shake them up, and it's got a brush pen on it rather than the nibs from normal pens. So I'll shake that up and test that because I shake it up, and there's certain ways you have to get the paint out. So yeah, so leave that there. Then last thing, this was free actually. There, because when you ordered enough Posca stuff, you got a free carrier. So this, because it was more than 25 quid, it was, which yes, okay, you look at this, you're like, huh? This, and that was over 25 quid. These two, over 25 quid, people are like, you're fucking kidding me. They're expensive, but I like the colors. Art supplies are not cheap. It's like, I should do this with John actually. Art supplies I have that I know the price of. I just get John.
Well, I keep saying.
Well, Mira did it with her mom, and her mom was actually got a lot of it, except for the Lumance pencils, $75. I wish Lumance pencils cost $75. But anyway, so you got Uniball Posca thing with the colors, and then the clasps on it. You open it up, and it's different pens and stuff, and markers, and wait, I wonder if where's a pen? That's it. That's my digital pen. That doesn't matter. So I go in there. Oh, man. I usually really could put anything in there. It's too big for pencils, but that's fine. You can put like brushes and stuff, so that's cool. And it was free, so hey, not gonna turn down free stuff when it's like put stuff in it, because I've got stuff for everything, other things, but that'll work for markers too. So that's good. So yeah, so quick little boxing. What did I say?
Busking.
I know. I was like, what did I say before?
So what are you gonna unbusk them on? What take?
Well, I can start
smash
playing a
their
flute.
instruments or something?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, no more busking. Throw away the guitar, or I can hit them with my flute and take their spot in the busking thing. But yeah, so I am going to, like I said, I will swatch these in a different video, and then you see that, and then in that video I will say what I'm going to do with these. Because I'm going to do it traditionally. People don't think I work traditionally. That's what I was taught in first, traditional. So, that's what I'll do. And I'm losing my voice. So, I will be back probably this weekend. Bye. I am losing my voice.